Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we have solved a nice maths Olympiad question. This question is x to the power 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. We'll find out what is the value of x in this exponential math problem. But you can easily hear x is equal to 1. This is our answer. Because of that, if I put this 1 here, so 1 to the power 5, it will be 1. 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So you can see easily x is equal to 1. This is our right answer. But here is x to the power 5. So you know that here is 5 root. So we'll find out all solution. We'll find out 5 roots. So solution, our question, it will be x to the power 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our question. Now, at this moment, you can easily hear x to the power n minus 1, it will be x minus 1 times x to the power n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 2 plus dot dot dot, it is plus 1. So if I apply this formula here, so you can easily this expression, it will be x minus 1, this x to the power 5 minus 1 is equal to 0, it will be x minus 1 times x to the power n minus 1, I mean 5 minus 1, plus x to the power n minus 2, plus x to the power n minus 3, plus x to the power n minus 4, plus x to the power n minus 5. Then here is big number, it will be 5, so I take here is 5 is equal to 0. Now at this moment you can see this expression, it will be x minus 1 times, and here is x to the power 5 minus 1, it will be 4, and it will be 3, 5 minus 2, it will be 3, and here x to the power 5 minus 3, it will be 2, and it will be x to the power 1, then here x to the power 0, it will be 1 is equal to 0. So we are finding out here is a two case, or first case this and second case this. So you can easily here x minus 1, it will be 0, this is 0, and in others case it will be x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now at this moment you can easily hear x is equal to 1. This is our answer, x is equal to 1. But here x to the power 4, so we are finding out here is 4 solution. So how to solve this expression? So I divide both sides x square. Now at this moment you can easily this expression, it will be x to the power 4 over x to the power 2 plus x to the power 3 over x to the power 2 plus x to the power 2 over x to the power 2 plus x over x to the power 2 plus 1 over x to the power 2 is equal to 0. I divide both sides x to the power 2. Now at this moment you can easily hear this x to the power 4 divide this x square, it will be x square, plus this x cube divide x square, it will be x, plus this x square divide x square, it will be 1, plus, and here this x square divide this x, it will be 1 over x, plus 1 over x square is equal to 0. Now at this moment you can easily this expression, it will be x square, and I take this value here 1 over x square, and here this x, and I take this value, I mean 1 over x, and here is plus 1 is equal to 0. So we are finding out here is 1 x square plus 1 over x squared, and we are finding out here is x plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now at this moment, how to solve this expression, how to find out the value of x in this math problem. Now uno that I apply. Here is the formula. Uno that x plus 1 over x whole to the power 2, it will be s squared plus 2ab plus b squared 2ab plus b squared 1 over x squared. Yes. Now at this moment this x cancel out. So we'll find out here is x plus 1 over x squared whole to the power 2. And if I move on this positive 2 in this side, it will be negative 2. And here x squared plus 1 over x squared. Now at this moment you can see easily this is equal to this. X squared plus 1 over x squared, it will be x plus 1 over x whole to the power 2 minus 2. So I put this value in this expression. So you can see easily this x squared plus 1 over x squared, it will be x plus 1 over x whole to the power 2 minus 2. So this value here, it will be x, this expression it will be x plus 1 over x and whole to the power 2 minus 2. Then here is plus x plus 1 over x, and here is plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can see that this expression it will be x plus 1 over x whole to the power 2 plus x plus 1 over x, this below 2 minus 1, it will be negative 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll find out a nice quadratic equation. Now how to solve this expression? So at this moment you can see easily here x, let x plus 1 over x, it will be t. So we'll let this is equal to t. So you can see easily here t to the power 2 plus t minus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll let this is equal to t. So if I put this value here, so it will be t to the power 2 plus this value will be t minus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll find out a nice quadratic equation. This equation it will be t to the power 2 plus t minus 1 is equal to 0. But here is t is equal to 1. So we know that the exponential formula here is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. Here is t is equal to, it is not x. So if I apply this formula here, so you can see here t, it will be minus b, I mean minus 1, this is 1, plus minus square root v square, I mean 1 square, minus 4ac, a is 1, and c is negative 1, here is negative 1, and over 2 times 1 it will be 2. Now at this moment you can see here t is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root, then minus minus it will be plus. So you can see 4 times 1 it will be 4, 4 plus 1 it will be 5, so I take here is 5 over 2. Now we'll find out here is t is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and t2 is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now at this moment I put the value of t in this expression. Here is t is equal to x plus 1 over x. We need the value of x. X is equal to what? What is the value of x? So at this moment you can see here t, it will be x plus 1 over x. So I put this value here, x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and here is x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So at this moment you can see here least common value is x, so I take here is least common value x. So this time this it will be x to the power 2, and here x divide x it will be 1, so 1 times 1 it will be 1, and here minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now if I multiply this value, this value, and this value, this value, it will be 2 times x, it will be 2x squared, plus 2 times 1, it will be 2, x times minus 1, it will be negative x times square root 5, it will be square root 5x. Now at this point, if I move on this value in this side, it will be 2x squared plus 2 plus x minus square root 5 x is equal to 0. Now you can easily this expression, it will be 2x squared, and if I take negative sign is common, so negative x is common, so you can see it will be square root 5 minus 1, and here is positive 2 is equal to 0. So we'll find out a nice quadratic equation. This quadratic equation, you can see it will be 2x squared minus square root 5 minus 1, this x plus 2 is equal to 0. So at this moment you can easily here x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So if I use this formula here, so it will be x is equal to minus b, so I take minus, then b is equal to negative square root 5 minus 1 minus b, and here is plus minus square root b square, I mean square root 5 minus 1 whole square minus 4ac is 2 and c is 2 over 2a is 2, here is a is equal to 2. Now you can easily here x, it will be here minus minus, it will be plus, so you can easily it will be square root 5 minus 1, then here is plus minus square root, you can easily here a minus b whole square, so it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I can do this formula, you can easily it will be 5 minus 2 square root 5, I mean 2ab plus v square, I mean 1 square, 1 square it will be 1 minus 4 times 2 it will be 8, 8 times 2 it will be 16 over 2 times 2 it will be 4. Now here x, it will be square root 5 minus 1 plus minus, and you can see that it will be square root. At this moment you can see that 5 plus 1 it will be 6, minus 16 it will be negative 10, then here is negative 2 square root 5 over 4. Then at this moment you can see that here is negative sign is common, because of that is complex number, this is complex solution, so here x is equal to square root 5 minus 1 plus minus square root, and I take here is negative sign is common, I mean negative 1, so it will be 10 plus 2 square root 5 over 4. Now at this moment if I evaluate this expression, you can see x is equal to square root 5 minus 1 plus minus, we know that square root of negative 1 it will be I, and here is the square root down 10 plus 2 square root 5 over 4. This is our solution, this is the value of x, it will be x2 and 3, and we are find out x1 it will be 1, and we are find out x2 is equal to positive value, x3 is equal to negative value, but our target at this moment x4 and x5 is equal to what? So how to calculate this question? Because of that our question x to the power 5 minus 1 is equal to 0, we have 5 solution. So here x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now at this moment you can easily here again, if I apply this case, so it will be x squared plus 1 over x is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now if I multiply this below, so 2 times x squared will be 2x squared, 2 times 1 it will be 2 is equal to this time this it will be negative x, this time this it will be negative square root 5x. Now you can see it will be 2x squared plus 2 and positive x, if I move on this negative value in this side it will be positive, and here is a square root 5 x is equal to 0. Now at this moment here 2x squared plus square root 5x plus x plus this 2 is equal to 0. Now you can easily here 2x squared, and you can easily here x is common, so it will be square root 5 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So you can easily here x, and again I apply this formula here. X is equal to minus b, and v is square root 5 plus 1 plus minus square root v squared, I mean square root 5 plus 1 whole to the power 2 minus 4a, c is 2 and c is 2 over 2a is 2. Now at this moment you can easily here x, it will be minus square root 5 plus 1, and here plus minus square root, then you can easily again square root 5 plus 1, it will be a plus b whole square, so it will be 5 plus 2 square root 5 plus 1, because of that here is b is equal to 1, 1 squared will be 1, minus 16 over 4, 2 times 4, it will be 16. Now you can easily here x is equal to minus square root 5 plus 1, and here plus minus square root, then it will be negative 10, because of that 5 plus 1 it will be 6, minus 16 it will be negative 10, and here is plus 2 square root 5 over 4. Then you can say here x, it will be minus square root 5 plus 1, and if I take here is negative sign is common, so it will be positive 10 minus 2 square root 5 over this 4. Now at this moment you can easily here x, it will be minus square root 5 plus 1 plus minus I square root negative 1, it will be I, and then here is square root 10 minus 2 square root 5 over 4. This is our other solution. This is 4 and 5. So it is a big solution. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.